Knowledge isn't power, published knowledge is. Let that sink in. You could have the most revolutionary idea in your field, but if it's buried in your laptop, unseen, uncited, and unpublished, it changes nothing. Hello, publishers. Welcome back to Deep Arctics Academy. Today, we are here to learn the 5 fast publication secrets. How many of your papers are currently sitting in a reviewer limbo? That endless silence is more common than you think. But here is the twist, it's not always about your research. That's the problem. Sometimes it's what you are aiming for. One of the biggest secrets holding back to brilliant researchers, the obsession with impact factor. Secret number one, the impact factor myth. Let's start by busting the biggest myth in research. You are told to chase journals with high impact factors, but here is what they don't tell you. Impact factor measures a journal's past, not paper's future. Impact factor is about history, not destiny. Smart researchers focus on three things: who actually reads the journal, how fast do papers get cited, and how long do they take to review. This one shift from prestige to fit put my paper in front of bright eyes. Secret number two, the submission timing. It's not just what you submit, it's when you submit. And I call it the timing code. You know when the most people submit? Golden window when you should never submit. This tells that when you should never submit your papers. The first week of January, the last week of December, and week before major conferences. So please make a check on that. So when you should submit the paper then? Perfect timing for your submission is Tuesday mornings, 2 weeks after major conferences. But why? Why to submit on Tuesday mornings or 2 weeks after major conferences? That's why is explained here. Because editors are focused, reviewers are more energized, and conference chaos has been settled off. Secret number three, cracking reviewer psychology. Now it's the next one that changed everything for me. They always want to say yes to you, but your papers make it easier to say no. How do you reverse that? 3 paragraphs, that's it. And that was the main point of secret number three. Let's unreveal what we should include in that 3 paragraphs. The 3 paragraph rule explains us the three major points which you should include in each of your paragraph. And we also call it the psychology tricks which you can play. What's the problem? Why does it matter? And what's your unique solution for it? That was the 3 paragraph rule which you can play. Here is the pro tip which you can use. Include a limitations and future direction section. Why? Because this increases acceptance rate by 40% by showing intellectual honesty. Secret number four, the editor's hidden preferences. Because real researchers don't hide gaps, they highlight them. I call it the 5 minute editor scan. Look at what they publish, what they tweet, what they present at conferences, and then speak their language. Tailor your paper to resonate with them because if your paper aligns with their passion, you have already won half of the battle then. Secret number five, the resubmission strategy. Rejection is not the end, it's the intent. Here is the truth most researchers never hear out loud. Your rejection letter is not a failure, it's feedback in disguise. Most people take rejections personally. They shrink, they shelf the paper, they move on. But world class researchers don't do this because they pause, they wait 48 hours and then they investigate. They create what I call a rejection analysis document. What did the reviewers really say? What patterns can I spot? And what can I learn, improve, or reframe? They have built a reviewer feedback database, not to vent but to grow. And when they resubmit, they don't aim lower, they aim lateral. They find journals where their refined version actually fits better. Because publishing isn't about avoiding failure, it's about leveraging it. Every no is a map, every rejection is a research, and the smartest thing you can do is treat it in that way only. So, there you have it, the 5 secrets to getting your research published faster, smarter, with impact. Remember, publishing isn't just about writing, it's about understanding the system, playing it with integrity, and making your work visible where it matters the most. If this video sparked a shift in how you see academic publishing, don't keep it to yourself. Like, share, and drop a comment below with your biggest takeaway. And if you are ready to do deeper, subscribe to Deepartics Academy for more research strategies, tools, and insights every week. Because your research deserves more than waiting, it deserves to be seen. If you want to learn how to publish your research papers, click on the link below in the description about our webinar and explore the webinar dates and the information below. So, see you in the next one, and until then, write bold, submit smart, and publish with purpose. Thank you very much.